Make sure you watch the full video for new giveaway announcement, and don't forget to subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels. I'll leave the subscribe link in the video description below. Now I want you to imagine, what if you can get paid by simply sharing other people's YouTube video? Now I know that you are watching YouTube videos maybe daily. Now here's your opportunity to make money without creating your own YouTube videos, because all you gotta do, just sharing other people's video, and you can make money online just like this. And this is so simple, so easy that anyone can do this without any skill, and you can start making money $400, $258, $157, or even up to $457 again and again. Now the best thing about this opportunity is that this is 100% free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, because this is worldwide, and doesn't matter where you are coming from, you can start using this method today and start making money. So here's how much money you can earn from this method. Now if you share 1 YouTube videos, you can make $5, and when you share 10 YouTube videos, you can make $50, and then when you share 30 videos, you can earn up to $150, so on and so forth, and you can keep on repeating the same method. Now if you watch the full video all the way until the end, I'm gonna give you a bonus and a surprise that's gonna help you to make even more money. As you can see here, $2,995 sending into your account. So before we get into this video, can you do me a quick favor? Can you please scroll down below and help me to like this video? That means a lot to me, and you're absolutely amazing. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to all of my YouTube channels, as you can see here on the screen. Make sure you go down below and smash on the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you can be the first one to get notified when I release a brand new video. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the best way to make money online right now as a complete beginner, make sure you go down below and click on the first link in the video description. Click on that link and put in your email address, and I'll send you over all the details into your email inbox. And with that being said, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you the main website that we are going to be using to make money online. Now this is uizack.io. Okay, this is the website. And then as you can see here, you get paid to share your links. So what do I mean? Now for this particular website, you can see here, this is a top URL shortener. So what do I mean? For example, when you look at the website, okay, this is actually the URL link of a website. Now sometimes, for example, say for example, okay, on YouTube, this is a very long URL link. As you can see here, this entire link right here is the URL link of YouTube. So real quick, I want to show an example when you copy this thing. For example, I copy this one, and then I'm going to go back to this website, and then I'm going to paste my link right here on this tab, as you can see here. So real quick, I'm going to paste my long link. Okay, as you can see here, this link is very long. And then what do? I'm going to click on this I'm not a robot, and then right here, I'm going to click on this arrow button right here. And then after that, I'm going to start loading, and then they'll show me a shortened link. As you can see here, the link right here is very long. As you can see here, very long, and you can see youtube.com. But once I use this website, I can actually shorten the long link into a very short link. As you can see here, uizack.io/HJE0TN. Now this is the link that's shortened using this website. Here's the thing, you can actually get paid if people click on your shortened link. So real quick, let me show you how much money you can potentially make on this website. Say for example, people from Sweden, they click on your link, you're gonna make $5. If people from, let's say from United States, where they click on your link, you're gonna make $4. And let's say other people, for example, visitors, right, on the website, they click on your link from Italy, you are gonna make $2.50. So different countries, right, people from different countries, when they click on your shortened links, you are going to earn different amount of money. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get people to click on your shortened link. We click on the shortened link like this. I'll show you step by step what link should you shorten and how you can promote the link so other people click on them, and then you can start making money after watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned and keep watching. Make sure you watch this video all the way until the end for the free $50 giveaway announcement. So right here, I want to show the minimum payout for this website is $5, meaning once you have earned $5, you can begin to cash out and withdraw your money, and then you can send your money into different payment methods. For example, PayPal, Payeer, Bitcoin, and WebMoney. Now comment down below and let me know what type of payment method that you like or that you're using in your country. Comment down below, let me know. And let's say, for example, if your payment method is not available, as you can see here on the screen, you can comment down below and I can help you to set up a payment method that's available in your country. Say for example, if you want to pay out using bank transfer or using Skrill or using Paytm, now you can comment down below and I can help you to set up a payment method. And then for this website, I like it very much because you can get paid every week, right? Every week on Monday, you are going to receive your money. And again, right now, I'll show you exactly how to get people from all of this country to click on your link, and then you can start making money over and over again. But first off, very important, I want to show you how to sign up on this website. All you got to do is just go on and click on this sign up link on the top right hand corner. Click on this link and then you're going to go on to this page. Now, as you can see here, you can register a new membership. Please use a real email address because you will need to activate your account by email. Now, once you've signed up using your username, email, password, and tick on this I'm not a robot, tick on I agree, and just click on register button. Now, once you've signed up your account, they're going to send you an activation email inside your email inbox. Make sure you click on the link to activate your account. So right now, we're going to go back to youtube.com. Yes, the platform that you're watching this video right now, YouTube. Now, here's the thing. There are a lot of videos that you can actually shorten the link and then get people to click on them. But this is what I found, especially video on YouTube. There are a lot of people, a lot of demand that people want to watch different type of videos. And then here's the strategy. We are going to find videos on YouTube, and then in this case, I want to show the best method, which is by using a funny compilation. For example, I'm going to search in keywords like funny compilation 2020, and then I'm going to find there a lot of videos created by other people. And then I can shorten the link of the YouTube videos and I'll share them into different platforms, which I'm going to show you in a moment, and then you can get a lot of people click on them and you're going to make a lot of money. So I just want to quickly announce the first winner of today's video. Congratulations to Zyro Cat. If you want to be the next giveaway winners, make sure you subscribe to all 3 of my YouTube channels. I'll leave the subscribe link in the video description below. So right now I'm going to click on this video and show you a real quick example. Now, as you can see here, this is the video Try Not to Laugh Fails Compilation 2020 Funny Videos 2020 by Break. Now, this video got over 300,000 views since 2019. Now, what do I do when I go on to top? You can see here, this is the URL link of this YouTube video, meaning that when people click on this link, they're going to come on this video and start watching them. So what I want you to do is go on and click on this link. Again, you can do it on your computer, you can do it on your phone. Now you can just copy them, okay? Copy this link. So right now we're going to go back to this website, which is uizac.io, and then we're going to paste our link right here. So as you can see, I've pasted my long link of the YouTube videos, the funny video that I just showed you just now. And then what I do, I'm just going to click on this I'm not a robot, and then I'm going to do this again. Click on this arrow button and they're going to start loading and they're going to start shorten a link for me. As you can see here, this is the shortened link, uizac.io/7cmuxj. Okay, when I copy this link and when I share on different places on the internet, whenever people click on this link, okay, depending on where they're coming from, I am going to get paid different amount of money. For example, if the people from Sweden, right, they click on this link right here, I'm going to get paid $5. Say for example, if people from Italy, right, they click on my shortened link right here, I am going to get paid, as you can see here, $2.50. So once you have understand this step, comment down below, I understand step 1, okay? Comment down below and let me know so that I know that you're actually paying attention on this video. So right now we're gonna proceed to step number 2, where we're gonna find a place to actually share and promote the shortened link. Now this is a very good place like Twitter. Now on Twitter, you're gonna find there are a lot of people that's gonna click on your link so that you can make money over and over again. Now if you don't have a Twitter account, just go on to twitter.com and then you can click on this sign up button and then you can register for a free account. It's very simple. And then once you've gotten your Twitter account, let me show you. This is where you can go onto your homepage and you're gonna find there a lot of people sharing links. As you can see here, this is all the links that people sharing, and when people click on the link, they're gonna go on to to whatever website that they want. Now let's say when I go on to this search bar right here, I'm gonna type in funny videos, okay, funny videos, and when I press on search, I'm gonna find a lot of people tweeting and sharing something related to funny videos. As you can see here, these are all the people, these are all the tweets, and you can share a lot of links right here and getting a lot of people click on them. As you can see here, 9.5 thousand, right? 5.5 thousand. There are a lot of demand, there are a lot of people clicking on them every single day on Twitter. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back to this website and just copy this link, okay? Copy this link, and then you're gonna come back to Twitter and you can share the link on twitter.com for free, and you can get a lot of clicks on this platform for 100% free. So right now, I want to share with you the second platform that you probably have, right, which is Facebook. Now on Facebook, you can search on a keyword like funny videos, and then right here, you can filter them by groups. As you can see here, when I click on groups, you can find there a lot of groups. For example, as you can see here, funny videos, funny video, TikTok funny videos, TikTok funny videos. There are so many groups that you can join for 100% free. All you gotta do is just click on the join button, and then you can come onto this group. As you can see here, now there are a lot of other people, they are sharing links. As you can see here, these are all the links that people share on this group, and then they're gonna link to other funny videos. Now we can do the exact same thing by sharing our shortened link of the YouTube videos right here, and when people click on the link, now I want you to imagine, let's say this is your shortened link, and when people they visit or join the groups, they're gonna find your link, and when people click on your link, you are gonna get paid by just doing that. So this is two very effective ways for you to make money by sharing your shortened link on Facebook and on Twitter and get thousands and thousands of clicks on autopilot. So right now, I'll quickly announce the second winner of today's video. Congratulations to Jamaldin. And also thanks for your support for watching all of my videos and subscribe to all of my YouTube channels. And once again, if you don't want to miss out on any new updates, make sure you go down to the video description below and subscribe to all three of my YouTube channels. Now, if you think that today's video is too difficult and you want something more easier and more simpler for you to start making money online starting today, make sure to check out the first link under the video description. That's my number one recommendation right now and the best way to make money online. So go down below and click on the first link right now, put in your email address, and I'll send you over all the details into your email inbox. And before you leave this video, don't forget to subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, and right here on the screen you'll see there are two more videos and playlists that you can actually click on them and watch it right now on YouTube. Go on and click on the video and watch it right now, and I'll show you a better way to make money online, and I'll see you on the next video.